How to use System Restore on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, we will be discussing how to use System Restore on Windows 11. Now let's get started. First of all, right-click the Start button and select Run. In the dialog box that appears, type the command shown on the screen. Then, click OK. This will open the System Restore tool. Now, click Next to proceed and then select a restore point to go back to a time before the changes that are causing issues on your computer. After choosing the restore point, click Next again to finalize the process. Now you are all set. There's no need for a complete factory reset. So this is how to use System Restore on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.